Well, what's up, guys? I recently bought a Monte Carlo SS 85 for a hell of a deal, but yeah, as you can see, we have a little rust issue. Maybe not a big deal if it's just the front two floor pans. It look like the bottom is just a lot of surface rust, and it can be saved. But got the interior out. 85 Monte Carlo SS hard top. I think I'm a saver. Real solid car. No rust in the trunk areas. Probably need to fix that, but other than that, she's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Minus the minor floor issue. But we're gonna make it happen though. Hopefully by summertime, or time to get warm next year, we will be back up and running. We keep y'all, got the fam out here, keep y'all updated. Trying to see if I should just replace the entire floor or just try to buy 2 front floor pans. But anyway, whatever I do, I will keep you guys updated. Oh yeah, I know y'all see the candles. The mosquitoes are crazy back here. Yeah, you probably can. But I'm gonna get back with y'all next update. Stay posted. Haven't gave this one a new name yet. My last one was Finesse. This might be Finesse .2 or Finesse 2 times or something. Well, anyway, guys, see y'all soon.